Hello everyone, and welcome to Great Garden. With over 10 years of experience caring for orchids, I understand that orchid lovers always wish to see their gardens blooming beautifully all year round, without relying on chemical fertilizers. That's why, to give you a safe and effective option for orchid care, in today's video, I'll be sharing a completely natural organic fertilizer recipe. It's safe, time-saving, and incredibly simple. Anyone can make it with just a few common ingredients right from the kitchen. I've been using this method for many years, and it delivers remarkable results. Strong roots, glossy green leaves, vigorous flower spikes, dense buds, evenly blooming flowers that last long, and even continuous blooms throughout the year. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our flower care tips. Let's get started. Before applying organic fertilizer, I always rinse the orchid pot lightly with clean water to wash away dust, salt deposits, and create a well-aerated environment for the roots. This light moisture stimulates young root tips to expand, enhances metabolism, and optimizes nutrient absorption. When fertilizer is applied afterward, the nutrients penetrate evenly throughout the root system, helping the leaves stay glossy green, while shoots and flowers develop evenly, with lasting color and durability. Rinsing also reduces the risk of root burn, balances moisture levels, and activates beneficial microorganisms to release natural nutrients. This step prepares an ideal environment for flower buds, encouraging even blooming with dense, vibrant buds. After rinsing, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the roots can fully absorb the water and prepare for nutrients. While waiting, we'll start preparing the organic fertilizer. The ingredient I'm using is 1 cucumber. First, I wash the cucumber thoroughly with clean water. This step removes dust, bacteria, and any pesticide residues left on the skin, making the cucumber cleaner and safer before processing or use. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, I cut off both ends of the cucumber then chop it into small pieces. Fresh cucumber is a very useful natural ingredient for orchids. Its water content helps increase the moisture in the growing medium, creating favorable conditions for roots to absorb nutrients and grow strong. The natural potassium in cucumber improves flower color and boosts the plant's resistance, helping orchids better withstand pests and diseases. Vitamin C and organic acids in cucumber enhance immunity, regulate the substrate's pH, and balance the environment for roots and shoots to develop evenly. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. As a result, leaves become glossy green, roots firm and healthy. Shoots and flowers grow evenly and last longer, keeping your orchid pot full of life with vibrant blooms throughout the year. Next, I'll put the cucumber into a blender. Then, I'll add 500 milliliters of room temperature filtered water. And blend it until smooth. Blending releases the maximum amount of vitamins, minerals, and beneficial compounds, making it easier for orchids to absorb nutrients and stimulating strong growth of roots, leaves, and flower buds. Once blended, I'll strain out the pulp and keep only the pure cucumber extract. This is a vitamin and mineral-rich solution ready to optimally nourish your orchids. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. After that, I'll add 1 liter of water to dilute the extract. Now the solution is ready to use as an organic fertilizer. Let's apply it to your orchids right away. Method 1. First, pour the prepared solution into a small cup. Then, dip a soft cloth or cotton pad lightly into the solution and gently wipe both sides of each orchid leaf. As you wipe, dust and residue on the leaf surface are removed. This allows the leaves to absorb light more effectively for photosynthesis, while also preventing bacteria, mold, and pests from attacking the plant, keeping the leaves clean, glossy, and healthy. In addition, cucumber is rich in water, vitamins, and minerals, which increase leaf moisture, make leaves thicker and shinier, and provide gentle nutrients to support even root and new shoot growth. Regularly wiping both sides of the leaves with this solution also stimulates metabolism and helps nutrients penetrate deeper into the leaf cells. Therefore, this method should be performed 1 to 2 times per week to maintain clean leaves and optimal nutrient absorption without making the foliage too damp or damaged. As a result, your orchids will have glossy green leaves, strong roots, and evenly developing shoots and flowers, creating ideal conditions for abundant, long-lasting, and vibrant blooms all year round. Method 2. Next, pour the cucumber solution into a watering can. Then gently water around the base of the orchid. This watering method not only provides the orchid with abundant natural nutrients, but also promotes overall development from roots to leaves, helping the plant maintain balanced nutrition and stronger vitality. In addition, the natural compounds in cucumber stimulate root growth and encourage the emergence of fresh, glossy green leaves. As a result, the roots become strong and firm, absorb nutrients more efficiently. The foliage remains shiny and lush, and flower buds are nourished for optimal growth. When the plant is well cared for, flowers bloom evenly with vibrant, lasting colors, while the leaves stay healthy and glossy, bringing radiant beauty and sustainable growth to the entire orchid pot. For best results, apply this method once per week during the recovery stage, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain nutrition and create the ideal environment for balanced growth, health, and long-lasting flowering. At the same time, be sure to water evenly and gently to prevent excessive water buildup. This ensures the roots absorb nutrients optimally while keeping the root zone well aerated. Method 3. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and mist it evenly over the orchid, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Spraying the nutrient solution allows it to cover all parts of the plant, providing vitamins, minerals, and antibacterial compounds while creating a natural protective layer against fungi, bacteria, and pests. Moreover, with consistent spraying, orchid leaves become glossy and firm. Leaf axils are well nourished, and aerial roots around the base also absorb nutrients from the solution, clinging to the growing medium. A small but important tip: make sure to spray both the upper and underside of the leaves. This helps nutrients penetrate more deeply and evenly while enhancing protection against fungi, bacteria, and pests. Apply this method once a week during the first month, then reduce to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. With consistent care, your orchid will grow in balance. Lush green leaves, strong roots, and blossoms that bloom evenly with lasting color each season, while also building resilience and long-lasting vitality. After watering or spraying the solution, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the roots and leaves can fully absorb the moisture and nutrients. If water droplets remain on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe them off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to remove them completely. This step is very important because lingering droplets create an ideal environment for mold, bacteria, and pathogens to develop. By keeping the leaves dry, you proactively prevent harmful agents, reducing the risk of leaf rot, crown rot, and other common orchid diseases. Moreover, with clean and dry leaves, the roots work more effectively. Nutrient absorption is optimized, and photosynthesis takes place more efficiently. For the leftover solution, I pour it into an ice tray and keep it in the freezer for longer storage. Once the solution is frozen into small cubes every 2 weeks or once a month, you only need to take out 3 to 5 cubes. Place them in a cup. Wait about 20 minutes for the ice to melt back to room temperature. Then, pour the melted solution into each orchid pot. The natural nutrients in cucumber, combined with its gentle vitamins and minerals, are easily absorbed by the plant. With this simple method, the compounds from cucumber become a rich source of nourishment, helping orchids grow stronger roots, lush green leaves, and long-lasting, beautiful flowers. Results after 2 months. The orchid leaves turn a deep, glossy green, thick and vibrant, with new growth full of energy, carrying out photosynthesis efficiently to nourish every young shoot. Meanwhile, the root system develops vigorously, producing many plump, white roots that cling firmly to the growing medium, greatly improving water and nutrient absorption and keeping the whole plant healthier. Most importantly, the flower spikes and buds grow strong and even, ready to burst into brilliant blooms. Large, vibrant buds appear in abundance, with long-lasting colors as flowers bloom one after another, creating a stunning display of vitality and beauty for weeks. This is the well-deserved reward for patient care. When nurtured the right way, orchids respond with boundless energy and naturally radiant flowers. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss the next orchid care tips. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next video on Great Garden.